So I finally got the Mini in. I'm going to sort this lacquer peel out. I've got these bits all over the paintwork, like blebs. You see them there. So this car's one I'm selling. It's been sat outside, it's been MOT'd, it's outside, it's just the bodywork needs tidying up. It's just that lacquer peel really. So I've got some things to be getting on with this mini bonnet. I've got a mask, because we don't want to be breathing any shit in. We're going to be sanding, there's going to be lots of dust about, so last thing what we want to be doing is breathing dust in. Probably breathing a bit too much of that in over the years, to be honest. 240 disc, we're going to go at it with a 240 grade disc. And to put that disc on, electric DA. So, it's a bonnet again, you can see. All that lacquer peel and these nasty blebs all over the bonnet. I'm not going to touch the stripes. This car's getting sold, so it's just going to be tidying up these lacquer peel, sand it off, give it a prime, give it a paint, and then that'll do. So I started sanding this down, and as you can see, it's had paintwork before. You can tell by the primer, you can see the paint underneath it. So I've masked them lines off there, the white lines, so I stay away from them. Just want it to protect the edges, mask the grille off. I've removed the headlights and the washer jets. So to remove the washer jets, I've just had to take a few of these out, just so I can pull that sound deadening forwards to get them out. And the headlights. Just 3 8mm nuts on the back. So it didn't take long to take them out. And I've also removed the wing spats, well, the bonnet spats. For what it's worth, removing all that, it'll make it a better job. Took the mini badge off as well. So the discs are being clogging. Sometimes you can find the paint clogs the discs up when things have been painted up before. Paint's quite soft. So I'm probably going to run over that with a 120, and then I'll come back to it with 240. So I'll give that all another sand down, and then I'll come back. So I've got the bonnet all rubbed down. It's all masked off, ready for paint. Or primer, should I say. So we're going to be using some of this ME1 primer. It's 4:1 mixed ratio. Got the primer in there already. So we're just going to put some of this hardener in. I'll give that a mix and then I'll put it in the gun. So I've got the primer in the gun, just going to put my mask on and we're ready to paint. So I've got the bonnet in primer now. So next I'll be giving that a flat off. So I'll spray a guide coat on this first, and then I'll knock the top off with a palm DA. Then I'll finish it off with hand, and then I'll give it a wet flat with some 800 wet flatting paper, and then we'll remask it again and paint